I am extremely happy to welcome all of you to this International Conference on coastal areas, hill areas, and other areas from the point of view of conservation and sustainable Kriya. That unless we conserve and utilize effectively our genetic heritage both in plants and animals, and also microorganisms, unless we all conserve and utilize them effectively, our future, including the future of our food sector, will be after the Beijing Conference on women and also the Conservation Congress at Rio de Janeiro, people started to realize that we can no longer afford to neglect indigenous plants, both in hill area and in tribal and coast area. There is general agreement that any more neglect of these vital areas will lead to serious future security problems. And that's why I'm keen that this conference will deal with the area. Coastal ecosystem, generally people don't realize how important they are. 97% of water comes from coastal area. So when we talk everywhere about water insecurity, to the coast area, water will be different. Then we have a whole set of tribes, particularly conservative tribal, like those living in Korab. They are conserving wild plants, we call it wild species. It is not wild, they are very useful plants. Wild species are those which are not cared for, part of our life, not separate. And thirdly, we found when we set up this foundation, we took, I came from the Philippines. Philippines has a very large number. Island, more island. And they are very rich in wildlife and biodiversity. Therefore, we took three areas. Apart from conservation of genetic resources, we have to think of this tribal area. Tribal people are those who are really concerned. They know the value between the linkage between human being and plant animal. This kind of partnership between plant animal and tribal family is the foundation of our GIA, inherited conservation consciousness of tribal local people, but in particular women who have been the backbone of conservation, largely because women realize that it is genetic diversity which helps them to achieve health security and food security. I therefore hope that this particular conference will ensure the next step in conserving both in tribal areas and most ocean areas is a symbol of our national consciousness of national, and I therefore compliment the political leaders of this country for having decided to a tribal family as president of, and afterward I hope some of the lessons that come out from this conference will be applied in the field. And particularly, I am therefore happy that the MS Research Foundation and others, my partner, have decided to organize. I wish this discussion very useful, and I hope it will be the organizers will really take trouble in getting the outcome of this conference translated to practical achievement at the field level. I am happy to welcome work